Did you know that millions of Americans are about to receive up to $5,800 in Social Security payments within the next 6 days? And many eligible recipients still haven't claimed their benefits? If you're one of the thousands of people who might be missing out on money that's rightfully yours, this video could change your financial situation dramatically. What if I told you that the Social Security Administration has been holding on to payments that could transform your monthly budget, and all it takes is knowing the right steps to claim what's already been allocated for you? Before we dive into exactly how you can secure these payments that are arriving in just 6 days, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, because we're constantly updating you on the latest Social Security developments, payment schedules, and benefit opportunities that could put more money directly into your bank account. You won't want to miss any of our upcoming videos about maximizing your Social Security benefits. The countdown to June's significant Social Security payment distribution has officially begun, and understanding the timing and eligibility requirements could mean the difference between receiving your full $5,800 payment or missing out entirely on funds that are legally yours. Many people don't realize that Social Security payments follow a very specific schedule throughout each month, and June's payment cycle includes some of the highest individual payment amounts we've seen this year. The question isn't whether these payments are real, because they absolutely are, but rather whether you've taken all the necessary steps to ensure you're receiving every dollar you're entitled to under current Social Security regulations. Let's talk about why June is particularly significant for Social Security recipients and why this specific payment window is generating so much attention from financial experts across the country. The Social Security Administration operates on a carefully orchestrated payment schedule that distributes benefits based on your birth date, the type of benefits you receive, and when you first became eligible for Social Security. June's payment schedule includes catch-up payments for individuals who may have experienced delays in previous months, cost of living adjustments that have been recalculated, and supplemental payments for those who qualify for additional benefits but haven't received them yet. Are you currently receiving Social Security benefits but notice that your monthly payment seems lower than what other people in similar situations are getting? This discrepancy often occurs because many recipients aren't aware of all the benefit categories they qualify for, or they haven't updated their information with the Social Security Administration to reflect changes in their circumstances that could increase their monthly payments. The upcoming June payments include corrections for these types of situations, which is why some recipients will see significantly higher amounts than their typical monthly distributions. The $5,800 figure represents the maximum potential payment that certain recipients can receive when combining their regular monthly Social Security benefits with supplemental payments, back payments for delayed processing, and cost of living adjustments that may have been applied retroactively. This amount isn't available to everyone, but it is available to more people than you might think, especially those who have been receiving Social Security disability insurance, supplemental security income, or retirement benefits for several years and may have missed opportunities to maximize their payments in the past. Understanding the different types of Social Security payments and how they're calculated is crucial for determining whether you're receiving your full benefit amount. Social Security disability insurance payments are based on your work history and the amount you paid into the Social Security system before becoming disabled, while supplemental security income payments are designed to provide additional support for individuals with limited income and resources. Retirement benefits are calculated using your highest 35 years of earnings, but many people don't realize that these calculations can be adjusted if you continue working after you start receiving benefits or if there were errors in your original calculation. Have you ever wondered why some months your Social Security payment arrives on a different date than others? Or why the amount occasionally varies even when you haven't received any official notice about changes to your benefits? The Social Security Administration uses a complex system for determining payment dates based on the day of the month you were born, and this system can sometimes result in payments being consolidated or adjusted to account for weekends, holidays, and processing delays. June's payment schedule has been particularly affected by these factors, which is why some recipients will receive larger than usual payments to account for timing adjustments from previous months. The process for claiming Social Security benefits or updating your existing benefits to ensure you're receiving the maximum amount requires careful attention to documentation and deadlines that many people overlook. If you're not currently receiving Social Security benefits but believe you may be eligible, the application process typically takes several months to complete, but there are expedited options available for certain circumstances. For those already receiving benefits, requesting a review of your payment calculation or updating your information to reflect changes in your living situation, income, or health status can often result in increased monthly payments. Many Americans who are eligible for Social Security benefits delay applying because they're concerned about the complexity of the process or worried about making mistakes that could affect their long-term financial security. What these individuals often don't realize is that delaying your application can actually cost you thousands of dollars in benefits that you'll never be able to recover, especially if you're already at or past your full retirement age. The Social Security Administration offers numerous resources to help people navigate the application process, including online tools, local office appointments, and phone consultations that can clarify any questions about your specific situation. The upcoming June payment distribution also includes adjustments for individuals who may have been affected by recent changes in Social Security regulations, including updated income limits for supplemental security income recipients and revised calculations for individuals who receive both Social Security and other government benefits. These changes can significantly impact your monthly payment amount, and many recipients haven't updated their information with the Social Security Administration to take advantage of these more favorable calculations. For those wondering about the legitimacy of these higher payment amounts, it's important to understand that the Social Security Administration regularly adjusts benefit payments to account for inflation, changes in living costs, and legislative updates that affect how benefits are calculated. The significant amounts being distributed in June reflect accumulated adjustments from recent months, as well as the implementation of cost of living increases that have been phased in gradually rather than applied all at once. If you're currently receiving Social Security benefits but haven't received any communication about increased payments for June, this doesn't necessarily mean you're not eligible for additional funds. The Social Security Administration often processes payment adjustments automatically based on information they already have in their system, but sometimes manual review is required to ensure that recipients receive all the benefits they're entitled to. Contacting the Social Security Administration directly to request a review of your payment calculation can uncover opportunities for increased benefits that you might not have known existed. The 6-day countdown to these significant payments means that time is running short for taking action if you believe you may be missing out on benefits or if you haven't yet applied for Social Security despite being eligible. While the Social Security Administration processes applications and benefit reviews throughout the year, the June payment cycle represents an opportunity to receive back payments and adjustments that might otherwise be distributed over several months. Don't let this opportunity pass by without taking action to secure the Social Security benefits you've earned through years of work and contributions to the system. Whether you're already receiving benefits and want to ensure you're getting the maximum amount, or you're eligible for Social Security but haven't yet applied, the next 6 days represent a crucial window for maximizing your financial security through proper Social Security planning. Remember to subscribe to our channel for continued updates on Social Security payment schedules, benefit optimization strategies, and important changes to Social Security regulations that could affect your monthly payments. We're committed to helping you navigate the complex world of Social Security benefits and ensure you receive every dollar you're entitled to under current law.